Well, let's talk about the Festival of Lights, Deepavali. The holy town of Ayodhya is all set to celebrate the Festival of Lights. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has reached Ayodhya to take part in the Deepotsav celebrations. The government will light 12 lakh earthen lamps, 9 lakh of which will be lit on the banks of the Sarayu, bettering the previous Diwali record. On your screens right now are visuals from Yogi Adityanath's previous Diwali celebrations in Ayodhya. This year will be indeed special as the Ram Temple city is decked up for the mega festivities. This is the first time that festivities have been scaled up to this level, and the administration has sought the assistance of over 12,000 volunteers to help light the diyas. The feat has also attracted eyes of the Guinness World Record of lighting most oil lamps. There are grand plans for a laser show, sound and light show, and use of drones and 3D projection of the Ramayana. 500 drones will draw various events from the Ramayana on Ayodhya skyline. 3D holographic shows and projection mappings are also highlights of the extravagant Deepotsav celebrations.
आप सभी अपना स्थान ग्रहण करें। अब समय है श्री राम जानकी के पूजन वंदन का, आरती का एवं।
काफी अच्छा लग रहा है, राम जी की आने की खुशी हो रही है तो पूरा अयोध्या रोशन हो जाएगा और भी भव्य हो जाएगा। काफी अच्छा लगेगा देखने में, ऐसा लगेगा कि राम जी आ गए हैं।
पूरी तैयारी हो चुकी है। यहाँ पर ये पूरा नज़ारा जो दिखाई पड़ रहा है, पूरी तैयारी यहाँ पर अच्छी तरीके से हो गई है। अभी कुछ ही पलों बाद यहाँ पर तेल पड़ने लगेगा और उसके बाद यहाँ पर शाम को जो नज़ारा देखने को मिलेगा वो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, जिससे पूरा दुनिया देखेगी। एक रिकॉर्ड बनाने चल रहे हैं अयोध्या की पावन धरती से हम सब।
It's a big day for Ayodhya and we are here at the majestic Ram Ki Paidi where the history is about to happen. As I'm showing you the visuals out here of lakhs of diyas being placed in this 32 ghats of Ram Ki Paidi. As you're seeing the visuals, volunteers from different colleges are placing the diyas as the number is exceeding 9 lakh, which was given by UP government for setting up the record in yet another year in the Guinness Book. Cleanliness drives are also on as sanitation process is also on. Apart from that, the arrangement for the laser show are also being made in this Ram Ki Paidi, while the oil filling process will also start by noon, and by evening you can assume a lighted Ram Ki Paidi with more than 9 lakh diyas lighted up in this Ram Ki Paidi in the presence of CM Yogi Adityanath and Governor Anandiben Patel. With cameraman Neeraj Kumar, Samad Srivastava for India Today.
Now, with just a day to go for Diwali, Ayodhya is decked up to celebrate the Festival of Lights. 9 lakh diyas will be lit at Ram Ki Paidi to mark this Diwali. Here's more.
Ayodhya, the birthplace of Maryada Purushottam Shri Ram, is decked up for Diwali. At the Ram Ki Paidi, 900,000 or 9 lakh diyas will light up Ayodhya this Deepavali. 5 diyas were brought in from every village across Uttar Pradesh, and the administration was tasked to ensure that more than 12 lakh diyas light up across Ayodhya in an effort to set a new benchmark.
इस बार 9 लाख दीपक केवल यहीं पर प्रज्वलित होंगे। जो आप यहां पर देख रहे हैं राम जी की पेड़ी, यहां पे 9 लाख दीपक इस बार प्रज्वलित होंगे।
When Yogi Adityanath took over as Chief Minister in 2017, for the first time, 51,000 diyas were lit up on the banks of river Saryu at Ram Ki Paidi. Each year, the number went up, with close to 3.5 lakh diyas in 2018, 4 lakh diyas in 2019, and 6.6 lakh diyas in 2020. This year, 9 lakh diyas will light up at the ghats and another 3 lakh diyas across Ayodhya to mark the celebrations of 9 lakh homes allotted to beneficiaries of Prime Minister and Chief Minister's Awas Yojana or housing scheme. Water from Kabul River was sent by a woman devotee from Afghanistan. It was mixed with Ganga Jal for a Jalabhishek of Lord Ram at the temple in Ayodhya. Yogi Adityanath at Panchayat Aaj Tak spoke of the significance of the ceremony.
और काबुल हमारे लिए महत्वपूर्ण इसलिए है, माता कैकेयी उसी अफगानिस्तान से थे। भगवान राम ने माता कैकेयी के प्रति अपार श्रद्धा और सम्मान का भाव व्यक्त किया है। क्या माता कैकेयी नहीं होती तो क्या हम राम राज्य की बात कर पाते हैं?
It is not just about lighting up 9 lakh diyas. It is also about the paintings, the entire life journey of Lord Rama, which the students of various colleges of Ayodhya have tried to show in this particular majestic Ram ki Paidi.
There are grand plans for a laser show, sound and light show, and the use of drones in 3D projection of the Ramayana. 500 drones will draw various events from Ramayana on the Ayodhya skyline. 3D holographic shows, 3D projection mapping, and laser shows on the banks of river Saryu will also make this Diwali special. This is the first time that festivities have been scaled up to this level. And the administration has sought the assistance of over 12,000 volunteers to light the diyas. The diya makers are also excited about this Diwali.
कुल 2.5 लाख का ऑर्डर मिला है, इसमें लगभग 40 घर कुम्हार हैं। यहाँ पे सबको 5-5 हज़ार दे दिया हूँ।
यहाँ पे 12,000 हमारे वॉलंटियर्स लगे हुए हैं जो स्कूल और कॉलेजों के हैं। यहाँ जो कार्यक्रम का जो मेन स्वरूप है वो हमारा साकेत कॉलेज से 13 झांकियाँ निकलेगी जो राम कथा का चित्रण करेंगी और वहाँ झांकियों को रूट होगा और वो अपने निर्धारित रूट से राम कथा पार्क तक आएगी।
The effort, according to the people of the historic religious center, is to ensure Ayodhya's historic and cultural glory is not only revived but also taken to greater heights. Bureau Report, India Today.